Today on Homeworthy, we're taking you inside one of the most iconic estates in New Canaan, Connecticut, that's on the market for the first time in over 80 years. The property, fondly known as Rockin Chair Hill, is rich in history and style and is listed for just under $7 million. Perched on one of New Canaan's highest points, the home offers clear views of the Manhattan skyline. The classic Georgian home overlooks more than 10 acres of lush lawn, gardens, orchards, a beautiful pool, and an artist's cottage. Enjoy this exclusive look from Homeworthy and Metier Maison into this incredible property that spans over 7,000 square feet, featuring 7 bedrooms, 5 baths, gracious entertaining spaces, and abundant natural light. You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.
Hi Homeworthy, I'm Nikki. We're here at Rockin Chair Hill in New Canaan, Connecticut. Let me show you around. Hi, I'm Nikki Glazer. I'm here at one of New Canaan's most iconic properties, Rockin Chair Hill. Perched on one of the highest points in New Canaan, this property overlooks the Manhattan skyline and features 10 plus acres of beautiful lush lawns, orchards, and gardens. For the first time in over 80 years, this property is on the market for just under $7 million. It features 7 bedrooms, 5 baths, and so much more. Let's go take a look. Let's start here in the beautiful formal dining room. Immediately you notice the Gracie wallpaper, which is original to the home. Can't you just imagine having evenings here over candlelight with a beautiful fire roaring? The fireplace is actually original to the home, which was built in 1930 by renowned architects Walker and Gillette. We even have the original floor plans. Just through this swinging door, you have an open plan kitchen, which makes entertaining a breeze. As you've noticed, the dining room is quite large, and you could have up to 20 to 30 guests on your biggest occasions. I love this formal hutch to display all of your china. My favorite part are the views to the outside. Just through this door is the formal living space. As you can tell, the large-scale room allows for entertaining. Features this beautiful piano and another original fireplace. It was designed in the 1970s by Janet Leroy, who created these wonderful sofas with original upholstery and these incredible window treatments. Aren't they beautiful? The French doors lead out to the outside. This room allows for multiple sitting areas and leads to the sunroom. Come with me. Here we are in the sunroom. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. It has this beautiful original wallpaper, intricate trellis work on the ceiling, and floor-to-ceiling windows. It also features this very versatile built-in banquette. It could be a great sunroom, a versatile green room, or just an all-weather, all-year-round room. Just through these doors is the expansive patio, which overlooks the garden. This beautiful stone patio wraps around the entirety of the backside of the house. It also overlooks the 10 plus acres. Over here you can see the orchards and the original well. On the far side of the property you have a pool and a pagoda, which serves as a nice respite from the summer heat. There's also a guest cottage, which was initially built to serve as an artist studio for the original owner of the home, Helen Sachs. I have so much more to show you. Let's head back inside. Just off the sunroom is the library. This room has a rich, moody feel with its ample wood paneling and built-in bookcases. The home was believed to be a wedding gift for Elmina Brewster and her husband, Lieutenant Commander Marshall Seawold. The Seawold family were shipbuilders in Maine, and that's why you see the seal of Maine carved into the wood paneling above the fireplace. The Sachs family has used this room as a game room, and it's great for late-night entertaining. We're going to need a libation. Let's head to the wet bar. Here we are in the wet bar. There's this great mural on the wall of the rocking chair that all the friends of the family have signed over the years past. It even has its own branded glassware. There's a sink, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage for all your entertaining supplies and needs. But let's check out the real jewel box of the home. Come with me. This powder room really speaks for itself. With floor-to-ceiling mirrors all the way around, it was really ahead of its time on selfies. Some of the best secrets have been spilled in this powder room. I'm going to touch up my makeup before we head upstairs. I'll see you up there. Here we are on the second floor, which features 7 bedrooms and a separate living quarter for guests. Right behind me is the primary suite. It's really a showstopper. It features an office and an expansive dressing room. Follow me. This dressing room is every girl's dream. It has a vanity makeup table overlooking the grounds and plenty of storage for all of your favorite attire. Let's head into the bedroom. It features a king bed and an original fireplace. It's a perfect place for rest and relaxation. My favorite part is the balcony with clear views of the Manhattan skyline. Come with me. I'm here in one of the additional bedrooms on the second floor. It features this king bed, an original fireplace, and lots of room for furniture like these beautiful armoires. It also has a Jack and Jill bath.
If you're interested in learning more about this property, email realestate@homeworthy.com.